Hey everyone, Darren Connell here. Welcome to my studio. I just want to do a really short video to say, oh, you know what? I can't do this. Hang on. No, I tried. I can't. It's too hot in there. Hello. I'm going to lean on that now. Welcome back. I just want to do a really quick, like 30-second video to say thank you to everyone who turned up on Monday for the first of my Kylo Ren painting tutorial videos. This is, for those who don't know, for those who missed it, this is a video series. It's 17 videos long, I think. That was previously on my Patreon. It was one of my painting tutorials on my Patreon. That I had already decided in advance was going to be on YouTube at some point in the future. And I did the first video on Monday. I announced it on Facebook and Instagram and everywhere. And what I did was I was watching the video live with everyone else as it went up at the same time. So 5 o'clock UK time, I think 9 AM Pacific and midday Eastern for America. And I was watching it live with everybody else, and I was on a live chat on the side of the screen, and I was answering everybody's questions, and it was really successful. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who was there watching it with me and asking me questions. I was typing away through the entire hour. It was better than I thought it was going to be. So I really do have to thank you, and for not letting me sit there for an hour by myself. So it was really enjoyable. It was great answering questions. People are still watching the video now because obviously it's gone up as a normal YouTube upload now. So people are still sending me questions. My phone's just beeped something at me. So it was good answering questions during the hour. I'm still answering questions now. But there's 16 more videos to come. And it's a really good series because the head looks brilliant at the end. So it's going to be really interesting for those who are actually trying to paint or trying to better their painting to see how we get there. And also for me, because it was the first time I was using these Vallejo paints, it was interesting for me because I didn't really know what colors to use, because this was something completely different for me. After over a decade of using a particular brand of paint, all of a sudden everything was gone, everything was new, and I didn't know what to do. So you get to watch me try and figure that out, and we end up with a really cool paint job at the end of it. That was it. I just wanted to say thank you because you made it better than I thought it was going to be. You let me realize how much you enjoyed that stuff. But also for people who aren't on my Patreon, and I know sometimes when I'm always talking about it, people are like, yeah, but we're not over there, Darren. It'll let you have an idea of what I'm doing over there, so at least you know what I'm talking about. So thank you everybody so much. I'm going to go now. This was just a quick video. I've got a load of painting and stuff that I need to get on with. Wants to say thank you. So thank you again. And the next video, part 2, will be going up next Monday, which is not long now. We're on Thursday already. So next Monday, same times. I will announce it, Facebook, Instagram, the same things, but 5 PM UK time, 9 AM Pacific, 12 midday Eastern in America. Come and watch it with me. And if there's any questions you have about what you're seeing on the video, or about painting in general, or about what I do, ask away, and I'll just sit here talking to you all. So that's it. I will see you soon, and look after yourselves. Have a good day. Look after yourselves, look after the people around you, be nice to animals, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye, guys.